how to add someone to your page on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add someone to your page on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click pages, and here you will find your page. Click on it and then just click this one here, and here you will find page roles. And here all you need to do is just click add person to page and click on it, and then just type his name here and click search, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.